This is the key to the 2026 Mercedes-AMG G63. The metallic ash paint really elevates the overall presence of the car, giving it a refined yet aggressive look that stands out in different lighting conditions. The blacked-out signal lights and sharp daytime running lights give it a bold, modern edge, while the carbon fiber skirtings add a sporty, aggressive touch. The glossy grille stands out beautifully, tying the whole front end together, and to top it off, it comes fitted with the AMG emblem for that unmistakable performance identity. The glossy grille immediately draws attention with its deep, reflective finish that gives the front end a more premium and aggressive presence. Look at those striking black rims. They instantly enhance the vehicle's road presence, creating a bold and aggressive contrast against the bodywork. Their sleek design perfectly complements the muscular stance of the SUV, emphasizing its performance-oriented character while adding a touch of sophistication. The carbon fiber accent air intake gives the side profile a sharper, more aggressive edge, while the side steps blend practicality with that unmistakable luxury SUV presence. From this angle, the side view is genuinely captivating, with every line and detail working together to create a powerful road presence. What makes it even more impressive is the hybrid-inspired detailing, along with the carbon fiber accents extending toward the rear, all executed with precision and purpose. As your eyes move toward the rear, the carbon fiber accents continue seamlessly, creating a cohesive design language throughout the SUV. These details are executed with remarkable precision, highlighting AMG's attention to craftsmanship and performance. The result is a sophisticated yet purposeful look that reinforces the vehicle's high-performance DNA from every angle. The rear is equipped with advanced sensors and cameras that enhance both safety and convenience. These intelligent systems provide a clear view of your surroundings, making parking, reversing, and maneuvering in tight spaces much easier. It's a technology that complements the Mercedes-AMG G63. Let's check out the trunk space. It is both rugged and spacious, designed to handle real-world demands without sacrificing luxury. There's plenty of room for luggage, travel gear, and everyday cargo, making it as practical as it is premium. But what truly stands out is the view into the cabin from the rear. It's absolutely breathtaking, revealing an interior that feels refined, modern, and meticulously crafted. From the premium materials and elegant finishes to the advanced technology and attention to detail, every element has been thoughtfully designed to create a first-class experience. Now let's check out the driver's interior of the 2026 Mercedes-AMG G63. The moment you open the door, you're greeted by a striking blend of materials and finishes that immediately set a performance luxury tone. The door panel features a bold combination of matte black, deep red, gloss black, and carbon fiber accents, all seamlessly tied together with refined chrome trim details. The AMG emblem is proudly positioned and impossible to miss, reinforcing the car's performance identity every time you step inside. Moving across the dashboard, you'll find the well-integrated light controls and a stylish air vent design that adds both function and flair. The interior color theme continues the sporty yet luxurious mood, with a red and black combination dominating the cabin, enhanced by matte black surfaces, carbon fiber inserts, and polished chrome finishing throughout. Directly in front of the driver, the wide digital display stretches across the dash, forming a seamless, modern screen layout that combines the instrument cluster and infotainment system. It gives the cockpit a high-tech, immersive feel, ensuring everything you need is within clear, easy reach while maintaining that unmistakable AMG performance atmosphere. From the driver's seat, you can conveniently control a range of vehicle settings directly from the steering wheel, keeping everything within easy reach while driving. The steering wheel is packed with multiple intuitive buttons and controls, keeping everything you need right at your fingertips while driving. From performance settings and driving modes to infotainment and driver assistance functions, every control is thoughtfully placed for quick, seamless access without distraction. The cabin is also equipped with advanced safety features, including intelligently designed airbag systems configurations that enhance overall protection and confidence on the road. For comfort, you get hot and cold cup holders that keep your drinks at the perfect temperature, whether you want something warm on a cold drive or refreshingly chilled on a hot day. This is your sleek central touchpad for infotainment control. And you have a visor mirror with integrated lighting is thoughtfully built into the cabin, providing clear, well-lit visibility whenever you need it. Above, the crystal-style ambient lighting adds a luxurious glow to the cabin, beautifully complementing the panoramic roof that floods the interior with natural light and enhances the sense of space. The red and black AMG Sport seats immediately stand out. They are bold, supportive, and visually striking. The center armrest also includes a practical storage compartment, blending convenience with design. The fine red stitching running across the cabin highlights an exceptional level of craftsmanship, adding depth and character to every surface it touches. This subtle yet striking detail enhances the sporty luxury feel of the interior, tying together the red and black theme beautifully. At the center, the large multimedia display takes focus, packed with intelligent features, navigation maps, vehicle settings, entertainment, and connectivity options. It creates a seamless digital experience that keeps everything intuitive, modern, and driver-focused while maintaining the signature AMG performance atmosphere. Now let's check out the rear interior of the 2026 Mercedes-AMG G63. Step into the back, and you're welcomed by a cabin that perfectly blends luxury, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. The rear seats offer quite a generous amount of legroom, providing passengers with plenty of space to stretch out and relax. The rear door panel is beautifully equipped with a premium Burmester 3D surround sound speaker, delivering an immersive audio experience for passengers. It also features memory seat controls, allowing occupants to conveniently save and recall their preferred seating positions. The door sill proudly features the AMG emblem, adding an exclusive performance touch every time you enter or exit the vehicle. The rear interior is absolutely gorgeous, showcasing a perfect blend of luxury, craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology. Adding to the experience, the Burmester 3D surround sound speakers are integrated into the rear cabin, including the trunk pillars, delivering an immersive audio experience. Check out the legroom. It's impressively spacious and exceptionally comfortable, giving rear passengers plenty of room to stretch out and enjoy the ride. One of the most captivating aspects of sitting in the rear seats is the stunning view of the dashboard and front cabin. From this vantage point, you can truly appreciate the seamless blend of luxury, technology, and craftsmanship that defines the 2026 Mercedes-AMG G63. The wide digital display, premium materials, carbon fiber accents, ambient lighting, and meticulously finished surfaces all come together to create a cockpit that feels both futuristic and elegant. It's a view that constantly reminds passengers they are traveling in a vehicle where every detail has been carefully designed to deliver a world-class luxury experience. The attention to detail on these seat stitchings is truly remarkable. Every stitch has been carefully crafted to enhance both the visual appeal and premium feel of the interior. Rear passengers get 2 USB-C charging ports, along with dedicated rear AC vents. The window controls are thoughtfully positioned and ergonomically placed, making them easy to reach and operate. Individual reading lights provide focused illumination whenever needed, while the Burmester 3D surround sound speakers integrated into the roof help create an immersive, concert-like audio experience. Rear occupants can individually control their airflow and temperature to their preference. Finally, let's check out the front passenger seat interior. This is the front passenger seat interior, and the door panel design remains consistent with the rest of the cabin. It carries the same premium materials, bold red and black color scheme. The illuminated AMG emblem stands out beautifully, adding a subtle performance glow that enhances the cabin's exclusivity. The front passenger seat also offers generous legroom, giving a relaxed and spacious feel that makes every journey more comfortable. Sitting here truly feels like being a co-pilot. The elevated seating position and wide windshield view create a breathtaking perspective of the road ahead and the entire dashboard layout. From this angle, you can fully appreciate the luxury design, advanced digital displays, and refined materials that define the cabin. Just within easy reach is the glove box, neatly integrated into the dashboard for convenient storage while maintaining a clean and elegant interior design. It's a perfect balance of practicality. Thank you for watching.